get you some. Oh, yeah. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow!
G'day lovelies, welcome back. Alrighty, today we're going to make what I call the real chocolate brownies. They're brownies full of chocolate. First thing we need to do is put in... Ned, go and play. Where's your ball? First thing we need to do is preheat our ovens at one... You're an idiot. First thing we need to do is preheat our ovens at 180 degrees Celsius. We need to grab a square cake tin with some baking paper. I will write the recipe below as always. Into a saucepan, we want 120 grams of butter and 250 grams of chocolate. Now you can use dark chocolate or normal chocolate, it doesn't matter. For this recipe, I'm going to be using the black and gold choc chips. So the 250 gram packets, they're only $1.50 a packet. I get them from the IGA, and for recipes like this, they're absolutely perfect. Okay, so we've got our 120 grams of butter chopped up in there, and now we're going to put 250 grams of chocolate. So if you've got your block chocolate, it's all good, just break it all up. Then we'll just sit that on the stove top till we need it. Now into a bowl, we want 1 1/3 cups of plain flour, 1 cup of plain white sugar, and then we need 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then mix them through and set it aside. Now we want 3 eggs in a small bowl. Mix it up with a fork. The other thing we'll need is another 250 grams of choc chips. You can do them in any that you want, dark chocolate, white chocolate, normal chocolate. And that's it, we're ready to go. Next thing we want to do is put our saucepan on the lowest possible heat, and we want to melt the chocolate and the butter down together. As soon as it's melted, take it straight off. Pour it into our flour, get all of it, and then we want to mix it through. Now we want to add our eggs and mix them through. Once we've done that, we want to add our 250 grams of whatever chocolate we decided to use. Now if you've got block chocolate, just chop it up. Mix them through. Once we've done that, we want to put it into our tin, and I usually spread it out with a fork. Once we've done that, our oven should be up to temperature. Bang it in there. Oh my god, mate, it smells freaking amazing in here. It took 35 minutes today in my clean electric oven. Don't you like the way I'm all excited now? So if you stick a skewer in and it comes out clean, she's ready. It's still like soft underneath. Don't worry about that. As long as it comes out clean, it's ready, because it will sink right down. So we want to leave it sit there for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, if you don't have a cooling rack, it's all good. Just chuck it on your bench. So if you wanted to make this as a dessert, you could serve it hot with ice cream. You can leave it plain like that, or you can dust some icing sugar over the top. Now how easy was this one? And it is drop dead Moorish. You have got to give it a crack. Your family is going to love it. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe, have lots of fun, and I'll see you soon. Toodles.